what? Bessie had a litter of puppies on 9/5, September 5th. So they're 2 weeks old today. So let's check these guys out. Look how big they are. There's 4 of them. Take almost up the whole bin. They're really getting big. And there's their little brother. Hello, it's Mike again. And you're all caught up on what's happened in the last 2 weeks. So let's check out Bessie's puppies. They're now 4 weeks old and they're all playing. So while you do that, Fiona and I are gonna run around the yard. Come on, Fiona. Come on, girl. Come on. And enjoy the video. There we go. We have Bessie's litter born on September 5th. 9/5. These guys are. There's. Oops, start losing some string. We just have kept our blue string. There they are. Woke them up from their nap. They were sleeping downstairs as always. Now they're on a new environment. Now they're curious of what's going on. There we go, dark blue. Get your string. Dark blue put on some weight. He went from 9 ounces, he's up to 13 ounces now. Not quite a pound yet. Not like his sisters and his brother, but he's gaining. He's gaining. Huh. There you go. There we are. Dark blue has a string. Light blue, his big brother, little brother. We have purple and olive and pink. Only 4 weeks old, they're still not going to do much. Just hang out. Check out their environment. Huh. Yep. That's olive. Front and center. Olive. But then they were taking their nap. They just woke up. They sleep a good 18 to 20 hours a day, these guys. well. They're all healthy. Next Thursday, there's Purple. Light blue. Dark blue. Light blue and dark blue are the boys. Pink, purple, and olive are the girls. Looks like olive. The string is hanging down pretty low. There's olive. You are, yes, you are cute. Yes, you are. There's no doubt about it. Exploring their environment. This is the first time they've been here. Out, basically, from on except one way I'm in. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, you guys are cute, there's no doubt about it. Looks like Pink wants to go back to sleep. Pink girl wants to go back to sleep, don't you? You just want to crawl into the back and go to sleep. That's purple. What do you think? Nose to the ground. Right? Or west. Nose to the ground. Bessie's puppies are exceptionally large for 4-week-old. They are exceptionally large. Don't you? Yeah. But the next 4 weeks are going to go by quick. So now's the time to start preparing your home, getting it puppy proof. Get down on your hands and knees and see if there's anything they could chew on or get into. Check all your cleaning products you use on the floors. Make sure that they're pet safe. We like to use a vinegar and water solution. It's pretty much harmless if these guys were to lick it up if we left some on the floor or if it got spilt. Got big brother picking on little brother there. Time to get a baby gate to keep them out of parts of the homes you don't want them in while they're being trained. Preferably not on carpet, because once they the bathroom on the carpet. That smell will stay there forever, and they'll think that's their place. Get their collars, their harnesses, their food dishes, all the things they're going to need. Shop for them now. You might already have them. That's awesome, but if not, now is the time. Get them their crate. Remember never to use their crate for punishment, but as a place to sleep, a place to go and feel secure in case they're scared. Look at Pink back there, just Z'ing out, sleeping away. Right, Dark Blue? Is Bessie looking for these guys? There's Big Brother picking on Little Brother over here. Trying to chew on his ear. Looking for the tail, will ya? Yeah. They are. Yeah. The little tail going there, wagging away. Yep. These guys are getting a mixture of kibble and soft dog food. And they love it. They love the dog food. Don't you? Oh. 3 out of 5 are away up. Light Blue's back up again. You guys want to play? Huh? You guys starting to wake up? Hmm? And purple? Purple's front and center. And then there's olive. And then light blue. Dark blue. And pink. Seed out. I'm going to sleep. Aren't you? Going to sleep. You guys are pretty active. I thought for sure you'd come up here and go to sleep. Really chilly outside today, about 58 degrees. That's why we're doing this in the house and not outside. Fall is here. It's wet. It's damp outside, so set up a small studio in the back room. Yep, the extra room. You guys are playing in a small pool, aren't you? A small pool. A small pool. Yeah. Again, we'd like to thank those who tune in each and every week to have a look at these guys. To have a look at the puppies. Kyra has a litter. That video will go up tomorrow. They were born on Sunday. For that to come up on Saturday. There are 5 boys. We'll do a weigh-in on them, as we always do for the first 3 weeks. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all that's going on around here on my West Beach TV. And enjoy your day. Right, Dark Blue? You're doing really well. We were worried about you for a while. We also want to thank all our new subscribers each and every week. Those who join the ranks of those who enjoy watching the puppies grow up for the first 8 weeks. Yep. Oh look, things starting to move again. Thing says, oh, maybe not. Maybe not. About all we get out of them. We're coming up on 15 minutes and these guys are ready to go back to sleep. So they're sticking to their timetable of we'll stay awake long enough for Mike to get his video in and then we'll go back to sleep. So we'll take these guys down to Mom and then they can, everybody's trying to pick a partner. Pink's sleeping alone, light blue's got Olive, and dark blue and purple are gonna nest down here. Okay, so that's enough activity for one day. We're going back to sleep. See you in 3 hours, right? See you in 3 hours. So, thanks again for watching. And everybody, stay